Sketch improvements. There are many new features and optimized functions in the Sketch module in ZW3D 2021. Now, let's take a look. Cosmetic Sketch. Cosmetic Sketch is used to annotate and provide references for the modeling process. When creating the Cosmetic Sketch, you can define the hatch pattern attributes, such as pattern type, angle, spacing, and color. Then, enter into the sketch level to define the closed geometry according to the actual needs. Return to the modeling level to check the result. The cosmetic sketch can also be projected to the surface. Equal curvature constraint. G2 continuity between the curves is supported in ZW3D 2021. Now, let's add equal curvature constraint to two adjacent curves which are tangent. You can see that the curvature comb achieves G2 continuity. The zebra strips on the surface with G2 continuity are also much smoother than the ones with G1 continuity. Sketch axis. In the 2D sketch level, there are default x-axis and y-axis. With the axis command, you can create a new axis as you need. And they can be used as references to add dimensions and constraints. Besides, it can be reference axis for the revolve command after you toggle it to external. Closed rings display. In ZW3D 2021, all the closed rings will be tinted with green color, and the color areas will be automatically updated when the sketch is changed. All the improvements make the sketch design more effective